my lovely Virgos, this is Sri Vidya and this is your career reading for the month of September. What is going on? Next, I'll be doing your relationship reading. For those interested, please watch that also. Final time shuffling for Virgos, career reading for the month of September. I see some of you waiting for some new job, some exam results to get cleared. Something. Let's begin. Okay. Oh, you are moving towards your goal. Good. You are fully prepared either for those students who are giving exams. They are ready for whatever challenges they are coming, the exams that's coming or interview that is coming, and they are definitely going to win as I look towards your preparations. Okay, your current self, my dear Virgos, your current self. Virgos, current self, please. My higher selves, guardian angels, please. Archangels, please guide. And happy Durga Puja, all of you. Durga Ma takes care of all of us. Current self of Virgos. Now this is 9 of Wands. Again, what I just told you, that you are waiting. You are waiting to grab the opportunity that is going to come your way. But there is something missed opportunities also. If you are like, you are being very impatient, that's what I am saying. Don't be that impatient, because you are like fully ready for the new career path, but you are taking some shortcuts. Like you are just, or you are like either under observing or over analyzing a thing and letting go an opportunity that has been offered to you. What's the crossing card? Why 9 of Wands is reversed? 4 of Fathoms. This is again a waiting energy. You're waiting for the right job to come to you, and you could be letting go of some other job that could also be beneficial for you. So for my dear Virgos, please don't take anything for granted, because whatever opportunity is being served to you, maybe that is also good. And further, you need some, either you are being overconfident. I'm seeing that someone is being, as a general reading, please take what resonates to you. There's someone being very overconfident. Your foundation energies, please. Foundation energies, please. In some cases, some opportunity is coming and going. You're not even realizing it. You have even blocked yourself from those people to offer you something. Wow, the Star, beautiful energies. The Star related to public services job, internet, or something related with socializing network, something related to software, net, and public services job. So it could be that some of you could be preparing for public services, but you are letting the good job also get out of your way. Also, this relates to films and music. So actors, those you are aspiring actors, please don't let the opportunity that has been granted to you go, because that could also be a building block for you. Now the Star is someone you're being very hopeful about something. This very good card. You're being very hopeful, and you also see that job opportunity as your wish come to your Star, something connected with your inner self. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? This is something not right. You were not fitted to a particular place. Showing off is also coming out. Injustice is also coming out. Either some injustice has been done to you, or you are like escaping from the situation. Okay, we'll be taking clarificatory card later. Please give me your crowning energies. Crowning energies, please. Page of Pentacles. You are just aspiring to establish the business that you want. A new idea has come your way. How to do, how to proceed. And someone is assisting you with it. You yourself are a very talented, very acquired individual. The whatever knowledge you have acquired, that is like to the brain. That's really very going to help you a lot. But there are some areas that you need to work on still. Let me get your future card, please. What's going to come future? Oh. Now, again, wow, beautiful. Ace of Pentacles is there. So beautiful. Major new beginning is the theme of your reading. Major new beginning is coming to you in the future, but you need to be aware of someone backstabbing you. And this you have been like, see here, injustice is there. So something in the past has been not just with you, not right with you, and that could repeat in the future. So you need to be very aware of the situation, what offer you are going to take, how you are going to react, because these are something like other treacherous people could be around you and you're not paying attention to their treachery. Okay. Current self for my Virgos. Current self card, please, for my Virgos. Current self card, please, for my Virgos. Current self card, please, for my Virgos. Wand. A lot of communication, lot of passionate communication is going on. But as the Ace of Cups is reversed over here, so this communication is regarding some job offer that you declined or that didn't come your way. You loved that. That was your dream come true offer. But it may also be that for this Ace of Pentacle, for this major business where money is lot of money is involved, you are declining the offer where you could have been very much happy, more than happy than this. But you are more, I think you are paying more attention to the money flow. Why the Star card is here? Why the Star card is here as your foundation energies? Why the Star card is here as your foundation energies? The Empress, major arcana. The Empress, you are full in yourself, you are abundant in yourself. You could this could relate to work from home, beauty, jobs related to some beauty care industry, nurse, doctor, or gynecologist. So these are the job arena that is coming. Again, the Star relates to the public services, film and industry job, internet job. So these areas are where you could be relating to, and this also shows that you are very much abundant in yourself. Your money flow is already very good. You can be you can be a business entrepreneur. That's also I am feeling. Okay, what happened in the past? Why the Standing Stone is reversed? What happened in the past? Someone took benefit of you. I really hate this when these things happen. Okay, sorry. Let's begin. Why the Standing Stone? Okay, now the Fool is reversed. The Fool could also relate to self-employment, government job, HOD. This related to you that in the past, because of some injustice that has happened to you or someone took benefit of your immature behavior, that I can see. There's some immaturity on your part also, and that's why you face certain loss. And this is all related to something not taking the leap of faith to move towards something. Okay, let's get clarification for Page of Pentacles also. Okay. Oh, why Page of Pentacles is there? Now this is Lovers reversed. You are, again, this is all about waiting. You are waiting for something to happen. You're waiting for something to happen, you're moving, but you have an idea how to proceed with it. Although the partnership you are doing, you could be doing it on your own only. There is no partnership, there is lack of partnership. Something like, again what I saw is that you are mainly paying attention to money and not to what you love. This is also like, this also shows that you are also working towards the your self love. You're working towards something that enriches you. But the partnership, something regarding the partnership, that is not going through. Okay, sorry, I've been distracted, that's why. Okay, let's get clarity for 10 of atoms in the future. 10 of atoms please for my Virgos. 10 of atoms in the future. Okay, 10 of atoms clarified by 8 of wands in reverse. You are like now not defending anything. You are, this also could relate to social embarrassment. In future you are afraid of some social embarrassment that is going to happen. You're going to surrender to something, and you also don't feel, I'm feeling like you're not being in your power. And your foundation energy is that you need to be hopeful, as you are abundant in yourself only. You are giving up to other people's decision. You are afraid of getting hurt, getting betrayed. You are afraid, that's why you're not taking in the past also you didn't take the leap of faith to move towards certain direction. You are afraid. You are afraid. Mixed energies are coming over here, so please take what resonates with you. Okay. Now let me get some advice card for you from Sai Baba deck. Sai Baba, please advise my Virgos what's going on in their life. There's some unresolved issue that I am seeing. You are being very confused. Being very confused. Although you yourself are a high level personality. Some of you could be preparing for public services job. But in future I see that you are giving up something. This future is only is, it's not certain. This future is not all the time certain. This is what shows what you are going through, that makes this future. So please be very clear what you really want. You're talking a lot to someone regarding the advice, but also you're not taking the advice. Okay, divine timing. Something, do not be disturbed. If something is meant for you, it will definitely come to you. So what I myself was feeling very disturbed. I don't, these energies come to me when in the reading, and that's why I get blocked from actually analyzing the situation. I am feeling that you are feeling blocked. Although you are, you have done a lot of effort, but you are feeling blocked, and you are being very restless regarding career. But then again, on the for some, I see that some people has just either given up, or they are very feeling like, I don't need to do this. I think the crux is that you're not getting what you really want as of now. So that's why this divine timing has come. This thing will come when it is due to come. Dreams. I will communicate with you through dreams. Wow. For those who are followers of Sai Baba, he is a real magician. So ask him to come to you in dreams, and you'll get the clarity from that. Final card. Sadness and gladness. Sadness and gladness are two sides. I told you that I am being very much confused, and this is that card. Sadness, one side is sadness and other side is gladness. So at one front, you are being very miserable, While at the other front, whatever you are doing to move towards your happiness, you are being, guided by the universe, that go on. And please, the bottom of the day is silence card, so please silence your thoughts. You are thinking a lot. Obviously, from this only I am getting so much of confusion, so you must be definitely thinking a lot. Ask Sai Baba to help you in this complex situation, and let me know so that I would also understand what is going on with you. Please post your comment. Thank you.